Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, class 1. Today in maths, our topic is counting in tens, page number 24, 25 and 26. So students, are you ready? Let's start. Here the question is, how many tens in the given number? One has been done for you. Look at this. What number is this? This is 40. In 40, there are 4 tens and 0 ones. So how many tens are there in 40? Look, there are 4 tens in 40. Now in number 60, how many tens are there in number 60? Yes, there are 6 tens in 60. Here is number 90. So how many tens are there in 90? Yes, 9 tens. Now in number 80, how many tens are there in number 80? Yes, 8 tens. Now here is another question, which is write in tens and ones. One has been done for you. Here is number 20. How many tens and ones are there in number 20? Yes, there are 2 tens and 0 ones. Here is number 30. 30 has 3 tens, 0 ones. Now in number 70, there are 7 tens and 0 ones. Now here is question number 9. Write the missing word. One has been done for you. There is 2 tens, 0 ones. What does 2 tens, 0 ones makes? 2 tens, 0 ones makes 20. Then we have 4 tens, 0 ones. 4 tens and 0 ones makes 40. So here we will write 40. Now there is 7 tens, 0 ones. 7 tens, 0 ones makes 70. Then we have 9 tens, 0 ones. 9 tens, 0 ones makes 90. So here we will write 90. Now there is question number 10, which is count in tens and complete the number chain. Here is number 10. Now count in tens and tell me in tens counting what number will come after 10? Yes, 20. Very good. And after 20, what number will come? Yes, 30. And after 30, 40, then 50, 60, 70, 80 and then 90. Very good. Now in question number 11, start with 5 and count and write in tens. Here we have number 5 and 15. When we add tens in number 5, the number comes 15. Now add tens more in 15, then what number will come? Yes, the number will come 25. And when we add tens more in 25, then what number will come? Yes, 35. And after 35, the number comes 45, then 55, 65, 75, 85, and then 95. Here is question number 12. Write the missing numbers. In this question, we will also add tens. First, we have 10, and when we add tens into 10, the number comes 20. And in 20, when we add tens more, then what number will come? Yes, 30. And after 30, what number comes? Yes, 40. Then 50, 60, 70, 80, and then 90. Now in part B, there is 2. And when tens add into 2, the number comes 12. And when we add tens into 12, the number will come 22. And when we will add tens more into 22, then what number will come? Yes, 32. And after 32, the number comes 42. Then 52, 62, 72, and then 82. Now in this example, the number is 17. And when tens will add into 17, the number will come 27. And after 27, the number will come 37, then 47, 57, 67, 87, and then 97. Now in this example, the number is 14. And when tens will add into 14, the number will come 24. And after 24, the number will come 34, then 44, 54, 64, 74, 84, and then 94. Now here in this example, the number is 11. When we add tens into 11, the number will come 21. And after 21, the number will come 31. And then 41, 51, 61, 71, 81, and then 91. It's so simple and easy. So students, hopefully you understood today's lesson. Now you have to attempt page number 24, 25 and 26 as your homework. Hope you all will do well. Thank you.